G'day guys, Matty from Fourbie Sessions Australia. One of the biggest things I've been trying to work out is whether I put a dual battery system in the RAM. And I've come up with something that's working just as good, but half the cost and a lot easier to use. So let me show you. So I've been lucky enough to be testing this unit from Cyber Solar. It costs half the amount of my dual battery setup in the BT50 that I have, and also it's half the weight. There is nothing in this. Has all the outputs you could ever think of. We've got AC, DC and USB plus fast charging. You've got a handy little LCD screen that's telling you what output you're having right now, what percentage the battery's at, and obviously what watts are going in. The other cool thing about this is it also has a built-in light, has a few settings on it with also a SOS function as well. The little unit comes with so many things. So all the cords, you've got your fast charger, solar, house plug, also this little handy plug, which I can tell you I think is an awesome idea. So instead of plugging my light straight into the 12 volt socket, like your cigarette lighter socket like you normally do, I literally turn this on, I plug this cord in to the light cord, which this cord comes in the kit. Straight away, you've now got your lights connected straight to the unit. Plus you have another output right here for it. The other cool thing that I'm really enjoying about this setup is the fact that when I start driving, I can start charging that unit. Over here, I have a 12 volt socket, plug it straight in, run the cord straight into the inlet, and now the unit is charging. So what I've been doing is I'll plug the fridge straight into the car while I'm driving, plug this unit into the car as well, and while I'm driving along, the unit's charging, the fridge is cooling. Awesome little setup. When I get to the destination, I swap them over and I'll hook the fridge straight up to the unit, unplug the unit being charged from the car so it doesn't drain my battery in the car, and I've got power. Not only do I have power, I have portable power. I've actually got the fridge hooked up to the AC and it is running it beautifully, so that's great. USB, phone and things like that. I haven't been able to test this unit fully as yet for a number of days yet, due to the fact that everyone knows most of New South Wales keeps getting put down in lockdown. But I've found I've got about 2 days without charging the unit and having the fridge on. So to me that's pretty good. Normally if I'm at a place any longer than that, I'll have solar set up, or I'm going to be driving around and I'll charge the unit again itself. But as far as a dual battery setup, I think this is the way to go. I'm able to literally turn everything off, unplug it all, and take it with me. So taking it with the missus into the car and things like that, it's just super handy. Being able to utilize this massive fridge that I've had for so long, but I just haven't been able to use it due to the fact of the size. It's been great. So if you are interested in this little unit, it's only $799. I will stick the link below in this video so you can check it out. They're from Sydney, so they're going to be easy to deal with. If you have any issues or have any questions, I'll put their email below. Plus you can always contact me. But this is a setup that I think I'm going to be running for a long time to come, due to the fact, the cost, and the fact that it's so easy and portable to use. Anyway guys, I'll bring a new video the more I keep doing, and have a good one.